Do you remember what I told you yesterday about the crazy weather here in Italy? Well, in front of me there is a perfect example of what I've told you about. Voila! See, it's not snowing. It's sunny. Again, now let's see better. You see, it's incredible. It's it's totally sunny, no clouds in the sky. Can you actually believe that yesterday it was freaking snowing? Okay. Stop. Sunny scene. Okay, now I just wanted to let you see this because it's it, it makes me laugh to death. Okay, so we see if tomorrow it's going to snow like hell, or if it's going to be as sunny as today. I don't know. See you next time with our personal weather forecast. Ciao!